Good morning everyone, welcome to Thursday. Thursday we have a diamond painting always, or work together, or unboxing. And I received one diamond painting that is mystery because I don't have nothing on the top in here that would tell me from who. So we're going to open together with you. I'm just going to kind of hold the sideways to hide the address. So let's slice it open and you will know before me from who this package arrived. So let's just tear apart and see what this is. And we have another package. so anything inside, or are we just going to unfold it on and on? Okay, this was easy. Okay, I guess we don't need this part anymore. So, is this could be my custom diamond painting? I don't know yet. Yes, it is. Aha! So now I know this package arrived from Coodeals.com. You can have discount of 15% I think, discount code if you using my name Nataliya. And this is custom diamond painting of Catherine, my daughter, who is graduated. And if you look on my phone, I have her picture on my screensaver because I like this picture so much that I decided to create diamond painting from. So this is definitely going to be new whip because I have to create. Hopefully looking good, so we have an extra gift as always. Thank you very much. All the DMC code, the alphabet, the numbers, and of course this butterfly, beautiful sheets of parchment paper that is big help to work on diamond painting to cover up the sticky portion. So let's check it out. I decided that I let Coodeals to decide on the size of canvas so they could look, you know, on a computer what will be good for this picture. So that was their decision to create for me sizing. And I can't remember if I told them to pick diamonds or I wanted square. At this point I don't remember. I have to check with my email, but I might let them to decide it on the diamonds. I don't know. So this is 50 by 50 centimeters. Velvet canvas. Oh, okay. We have some. Oh, look at that. Toolkit. Something looks like new. This is definitely different from before. I see in here fairy dust diamonds. I see in here AB diamonds and regular diamonds, and it's a square diamonds. Oh, that is pretty. They give me so extra. So let's see that toolkit first. We have big size of the diamonds, and I mean the tray. Remember before the tray was kind of like not grids enough, and the diamonds won't line up. So I will be checking this one as well and see if they fix or not, because I did mention before. And for the first time I have a blue pen. Usually it's a clear, like those glittery one. This one's solid blue color. So it's kind of nice to have something new finally, even if it is just a color. And my favorite 4-placer. I always talking about this 4-placer because it is my favorite. And we have a dark deep blue grippy, which we can put now or we can put later. Sometimes it go tighter than you want to be, so I have to turn it. Okay, I will have to fight with this later. Hopefully it will fit. And then look at this big chunk of blue. Oh, there's a more in here. Oh, we have, what is this, 7-placer? Is the number in here 7? Yeah, this one's 7-placer as well. The flat tool, which more precise than the other ones. That's good. and big block of 4 blue wax. Aren't you tired of the pink wax? So it's nice to have something new, right? Okay, so I'm going to put this inside and I am going to test it out to see if the trays are fixed or not. So here is the picture, which photograph doesn't look as good as actual picture. Let's see if I can go into my actual pictures to show you what we actually have in here as oh, did they save the wrong picture? Because for sure okay, this one was like a saving picture from the I deleted correct one picture. This one just a screensaver because it also has a time on it. But that's the picture, obviously, just like that. I just need to change the picture in here. I deleted the correct one. Oh, this is the one. This is the correct one. Isn't she pretty? My graduate. Such a good girl. So what we have in here, let's check first. Paper, 50 by 50 centimeters, and we have on 2 pages in here 50 colors. So with the AB colors we have 4 colors, and not paint and fairy, oh my goodness, fairy dust in 3 colors. Okay, okie dokie. Let's see those colors. Oh no, let's see canvas first, right? Let's see. Here it is. Obviously without diamonds it looks kind of very light and washed out, but it should be nice. And no, I think they're looking good canvas. Can we zoom out more? No, maybe I can raise my camera a little bit higher to fit better. I don't know. What do you think? I think they did really good job so far. Resemblance of the picture, pretty good. She's staying by the window where my roses up front of the house, and on the top of there I cut it out because it was a window and my golden retrievers was peeking through the window. So I chopped that portion away, but that would be fun, a picture with doggy looking down. So here it is. Here she is. Let's check it out. Canvas itself. Here is our canvas print, looking really nice. Good layer of glue, and the canvas is nice, shiny and glittery. There. Let's check on a darker side. Well, the darkest one would be probably her hat in here, or I don't know how you call that, 4 corners hat for graduates. What's the name of it? I don't know. If you know, comment. So that would be probably black, maybe color or not. 310, yeah, that would be 310. So the symbol on the dark one, look at that. Gorgeous. Really nice. Yeah, looking good, looking good. So I'm happy so far what I see. Print looks good, exactly like a picture on a phone. So I think they did a good job in here by creating. So now we just have to place diamonds and see how this is going to look like. It looks like a wall in here, confetti, because it's a brick of the house. So maybe will be lots of changing colors because of the wall, but that's okay. That will create more realistic look. Good thing is diamonds already in the Ziploc bag, so just grab one and start creating today. Okay, here is all the colors we have in here. Diamonds looks beautiful. Hopefully the color for the skin will pick properly. So these special diamonds, we're going to check them out. It's a pretty color of AB diamonds. It looks like a big bag. Wow, that's generous. Thank you very much. Let's see all these special diamonds right in here. So we have a one. Okay, this is the fairy dust diamonds. Looks nice and shiny. But see how from natural color, how they lighten up color because of the glitter on the top. Change the color a little bit. Here's the big bag of fairy dust. They've really put lots of diamonds. This is going to be for roses. Wow, my rose is going to be so shiny. And then a little bit darker color of the fairy dust. There, as close as we can see. And then we have four, hold on, sticker. And 4 colors of AB diamonds. Here is the orange. Here is the green. Green is very pretty, so bright. Here is the pink. And big bag. This one's shining so nice. Look at that, AB. Oh, that is so pretty color. That is gorgeous. That's a big bag. I wonder if it's go probably in here on the wall somewhere. What is that? 44 Q. Yeah. Oh my God, my house going to be looking better than in real life. It's all go for the background. This gorgeous. My house gonna be sparkly. Unbelievable. So let me check this tray. If it feels like it's might be not good, it could be like it's a low grade. Let me check it out. I might have to email them one more time. I don't know if they understand what I try to tell them. I will tell them to look this. No, see, it's sliding. It's sliding, doesn't stay in a grid. So definitely they have to change. No, I will tell them to watch this video. The problem is the tray, they have to fix it. It doesn't stay. But look at these diamonds in here. Diamonds is absolutely stunning, stunning. Oh, I love it. So I guess next Thursday probably we're going to create this new start and do the whip and chat together, and maybe we will create start maybe with this beautiful special diamonds, so we can have some fun and not just a black robe to create. So what do you think? That's what we're gonna do. So yeah, definitely I'm going to report this tray that they are not good, for them to switch to the maybe smaller size or just look different supplier for this one. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for watching. This is amazing. Thank you, Coodeals. I love it so far, and I think it's going to look amazing. So if you want to order custom diamond painting, go ahead to Coodeals.com. Use my discount code to save your money even more. And you have to choose what kind of diamonds you want to be, round or square, and different sizes. There's lots of different sizes you can choose from. Depends on like how many people. If it's a more people, it's better to get the bigger size so the face is visible more. If it's like Catherine in here, only one person, then it's good on a smaller size as well. So thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow with something new.